Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best hand wash board on the market, the Cansybil non-slip laundry washing board. Whether you're living off the grid, preserving delicates, or just want a sustainable alternative to machine washing, this product is about to become your new best friend. Let's get into it. At first glance, the Cansybil washboard doesn't scream innovation, but don't be fooled. The build quality and functionality speak volumes. Measuring in at 15.7 by 8.07 by 1.06 inches and weighing just under 8 ounces, this washing board is compact, lightweight, and sturdy, the kind of tool that fits neatly in your laundry setup without taking up too much space. The board is made of durable plastic, but not the brittle, cheap kind. It's smooth to the touch, with enough flexibility to prevent cracking under pressure, yet solid enough to stay put during use. The non-slip design is particularly worth mentioning. This thing won't slide around your tub or sink while you're scrubbing away. That makes a huge difference when you're handling wet fabric. On the scrubbing surface, you'll find ridges that are gentle yet effective. They're spaced and shaped just right to get grime out without damaging fibers. Whether you're washing cotton t-shirts, socks, or even delicate fabrics like lingerie or baby clothes, it gives you excellent friction control without the wear and tear that some harsher boards can cause. Another detail I appreciate is the ergonomic angle. It's designed in a way that you don't have to bend over awkwardly or strain your wrists. It lays flat but has just enough curve to make hand washing more comfortable than using a completely flat surface. You'll feel that difference, especially if you're doing a larger load by hand. Cleaning the board itself is also a breeze. Just rinse it off and hang it dry. It's made from materials that resist mold and mildew, so you don't have to worry about buildup over time. And because it's so slim, it's easy to store vertically or tuck away in tight spaces. If you're traveling, living in an RV, or just trying to reduce machine usage, this tool becomes essential. It's also ideal in emergencies or power outages. No electricity required, just water and soap. We tested the Cansybil board with multiple fabric types and detergents, and every time, it performed reliably. For heavily soiled clothes like gym gear or muddy socks, it delivered spotless results without extra effort. For delicates, we were able to clean thoroughly without fraying or stretching any of the material. Color options also add a bit of flair. The one featured here is a light blue variant, clean, fresh, and easy on the eyes. If aesthetics matter to you, you'll appreciate that this tool doesn't look industrial or outdated like old-fashioned metal or wooden washboards. And let's not forget portability. Toss it in your suitcase or your camping gear. It's feather-light and tough enough to survive bumps and drops. That makes it a go-to for travelers, hikers, and anyone trying to pack smart. In summary, the Cansybil non-slip laundry washing board checks all the boxes: durable, lightweight, ergonomic, gentle on clothes, and easy to clean. It's functional and well-designed without unnecessary features. Whether you're a frequent traveler, an eco-conscious homeowner, or someone who just appreciates having a reliable manual washing option on hand, this board belongs in your laundry arsenal. If you're interested in checking it out, you can find the product link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth, real-world reviews on everyday products that actually make life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.